Good morning. Myself Ravi Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Alla Narasimha Reddy Education Society, Group of Institutions, Hyderabad. So today we will discuss about effect of substituents on acidity of basicity of amines. So the objectives of today's class. At the end of the class, we will see the student able to understand the concept of basicity of amines, effect of substituents, electron withdrawing group on the basicity of amines. He will predict the effect of withdrawing group on basicity. He will predict the effect of electron donating group on basicity of amines and the relative strength of aromatic amines. We know that there are two different types of substituents. The substituents will have great effect on basicity of aromatic amines. It may increase or decrease the basicity of aromatic amines. Substituents are of two types. Electron withdrawing group, that is, electron withdrawing group will try to withdraw the electron cloud from aromatic nucleus. In turn, it will try to pull the electron cloud from nitrogen. So the availability of electron cloud on nitrogen decreases for protonation, for accepting proton. So the basicity of aromatic amines decreases. Electron withdrawing groups on aromatic nucleus decrease the basicity. Electron withdrawing groups such as NO2, nitro group, aldehyde group, carboxylic acid group, or ester group. These groups will decrease the electron density on aromatic nucleus. In turn, that will pull the electron cloud from aromatic nucleus. Availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen decreases and the basicity decreases. Another type of group is electron donating group. These groups will increase the electron cloud on aromatic nucleus. They increase the electron cloud on aromatic nucleus. In turn, they will increase the electron cloud on nitrogen. The availability of electrons on nitrogen is greater, so that it can donate the electrons to the proton. So the basicity increases. So electron donating groups such as NH2, OR, or alkyl groups, any alkyl groups. It may be methyl, ethyl, isopropyl, tertiary butyl, hydroxy groups, ether, OCH3, methoxy, ethoxy, propoxy, amine groups, NHR, substituted amine groups. They're all electron donating groups. These groups will increase electron density on aromatic nucleus and increase basicity. So there are two different types of substituents which affect the basicity. One is electron withdrawing group, will decrease aromatic electron cloud on aromatic nucleus, in turn nitrogen, and decrease the basicity. Electron donating groups will increase the electron cloud on the aromatic nucleus, in turn on nitrogen, increase the basicity. So we'll see individually what exactly happens. Effect of electron withdrawing group on basicity. So these electron withdrawing groups, which are directly attached to aromatic nucleus, decreases the basicity of amines. Electron withdrawing group, they decrease the basicity of aromatic amines. How? That will remove the electron density from the benzene ring. Electron withdrawing groups, they try to pull the electron cloud from benzene ring either by R minus effect or by I minus effect. R minus effect because of resonance, I minus effect because of inductive effect. They pull the electron cloud from the aromatic nucleus. making less availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen. So we know that basicity is quantified by the availability of lone pair of electrons. Ammonia is basic because ammonia is having lone pair of electrons. They donate lone pair of electrons to proton to form ammonium ion. Methylamine, they donate the electrons to proton very effectively because you have electron donating group, methyl group. Similarly, here availability of lone pair of electrons on aromatic nucleus decreases. Why? Because of electron withdrawing group. This intensifies the positive charge on aluminium ion. Whatever the salt formed aluminium ion, the positive charge will be very, very high, thus destabilizes the ion. Why positive charge? Electron cloud is not there. The positive charge is intensified and the stability of amine is very, very less than amine itself. So when you see amine and its salt, which is very stable, salt if it is stable, then basicity increases. If salt is less stable, then amine is more basic in nature. Amine is less basic in nature. So here, if you see, electron withdrawing group is pulling the electron cloud from aromatic nucleus in turn from nitrogen. So availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen decreases. It cannot accept a proton effectively and form anilinium ion. If at all it accepts proton and form anilinium ion, the positive charge is more on the nitrogen, which is destabilizing this anilinium ion. So it goes back again to aniline. So basicity decreases. What are the groups which are responsible for this? Nitro group, chlorine. You know, as chlorine is electron donating group, but it is strong deactivating group. It will pull the electron cloud because chlorine is electron negative. CN, COOH, SO3H, aldehyde, ester, ketone. These are all electron withdrawing groups, which destabilizes the salt and decrease the basicity. So the reaction moves towards the aniline. So aniline is more stable than that of anilinium ion when if it is having electron withdrawing group. So we'll see one example. Para-nitroaniline is less basic than that of aniline. So basicity is quantified based on their dissociation constant. There is a pK value. Aniline pK value is 4.6. And if it is para-nitro or orthonitrophenol, the pK value is 1. It is more acidic in nature. Means very, very, very weak base. Why? We'll see. This nitro group which is there, will try to pull the electron cloud. Why? Because nitrogen and oxygen, which is more electron negative. Oxygen is more electron negative. It will try to pull the electron cloud from pi bond. So this becomes O minus, nitrogen become positive. That will become more electron negative or electron withdrawing group. That will pull the electron cloud from aromatic nucleus. And this carbon get positive charge. To nullify this positive charge, the bond shifts here, and this carbon get positive charge. The lone pair of electrons are donated to this to form the pi bond. So nitrogen lone pair of electrons are formed here and form a double bond. So because of nitro group, because of delocalization, the lone pair of electrons are consumed or entered into the aromatic nucleus. Now they are not available for donation to the proton. That is the reason it will not accept proton. So pK value decreased to 1. But aniline pK value is 4. Nitro para aniline is 1. The more the pK value, more basic it is. The less pK value, more acidic it is. So the basicity decreases even with nitro also. But if you see the meta position, So this is electron resonance hybrid structure for nitro. So the electrons are delocalized into the nitro group. So availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen decreases because nitrogen always bear positive charge. So basicity decreases. When come to the aniline, meta-nitroaniline, the pK value is 2.46. Compared to orthopara, it is 1. Means meta-nitroaniline is more basic than that of para and orthonitroaniline. Why? Because if you see the resonance structures, aniline lone pair of electrons are amine lone pair of electrons are donated to the aromatic nucleus, and this shifts to the here, form the negative charge, will again form the pi bond. The double bond shifts to the para position, and para position form the double bond here. Double bond shifts to the ortho position. If you see the observe the delocalization pattern, the electron cloud is not delocalized into the aromatic nitro group. So nitro group is not withdrawing the electrons by R minus effect. It is withdrawing electron by I minus effect only. It is withdrawing electrons, it is reducing the electron cloud, but not by I minus effect, R minus effect. Only I minus effect is taking place here. Whereas in para and ortho position, both I minus and R minus is taking place. That is the reason the pK value is drastically decreased. Whereas in meta position, R minus is not taking place because the electrons are not delocalized into the nitro group. So meta-nitroaniline is better base than that of para or ortho nitroaniline. So if you see the order of these, aniline, meta-nitroaniline, ortho and para-aniline, ortho is having very weak basic in nature because they are very near to each other. The effect is more. That is the reason aniline is more basic in nature than that of meta-nitro, than that of para, than that of ortho-nitro. This is the order of basicity. Coming to the electron donating group on basicity, electron donating groups increases the basicity of aromatic amines. Electron withdrawing group decrease the aromaticity, basicity of aromatic amines. Electron donating groups increase the basicity of aromatic amines. It increases electron density. Why? It increases electron density on benzene ring, making more availability of lone pair of electrons on ring. That is nitrogen. So electron withdrawing group are reducing the electron cloud from nitrogen, aromatic nucleus, in turn from nitrogen. Whereas electron donating groups increase electron density on the aromatic nucleus and availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen also. So this availability of lone pair of electrons which are there on nitrogen will disperse the positive charge on anilinium ion. The positive charge is decreased because of increase in lone pair of electrons availability. So anilinium ion is stabilized comparatively amine. That is the reason the reaction shifts to the anilinium ion, then basicity increases. Means electron donating groups will increase the basicity of amines. Examples: CH3 alkyl groups, CH3, C2H5, isopropyl group, tertiary butyl group, they are all electron donating groups. OCH3, O methyl group or methoxy group, ethoxy group, propoxy group, they are donating groups. Amine, substitute amines, monosubstitute amines, disubstitute amines, they're all electron releasing groups or electron donating groups, which increase electron density on the aromatic nucleus, in turn density on nitrogen. So availability of lone pair of electrons are there for donation to the proton, then accepts the proton, and this group stabilizes the positive charge on anilinium ion. So the reaction moves to the right direction. So the stability of anilinium ion indicates that the aromatic amines are basic in nature when electron donating groups are present. So for example, paramethyl aniline is more basic than aniline. When you compare aniline, it is a 4.6 pK value, whereas methyl aniline, it is 5.1. 5.1 is more. So paramethyl aniline is more basic. It stabilizes the paramethyl aniline ion. So why? Because methyl group is an electron donating group. It increases electron cloud on the aromatic nucleus than that of aniline. So lone pair of electrons on nitrogen is more available for donation of proton than that of aniline. So this methyl group will try to induct I plus effect. It produces I plus effect. It cannot produce R plus because it undergoes hyperconjugation. So electrons are increased on the aromatic nucleus, and availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen increases and basicity increases. Basicity of aromatic amines. Relative strength of aromatic amines for aromatic amines. So aniline is having something around 4.6 pK value, whereas paranitro, metanitro, orthonitro, their nitro group is a electron withdrawing group, decrease the basicity. So the pK value of paranitro is 1, pK value of metanitro is 2.46. So orthonitro it is 0.26. Means orthonitro is very, very weak base than that of paranitro, than that of metanitro. Why? Orthonitro, the amino group and the nitro group are adjacent to each other. That affects the basicity. Availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen decreases drastically, whereas in para they are very far, and though it is withdrawing group, the pK value is 1, whereas in meta the nitro group is not involved in delocalization, so the basicity is 2.46. Why it is not equivalent to aniline? Because it is producing I minus effect, so it is reduced to 4.46. Para-bromo and para-chloro, they are electron, though it is electron withdrawing group, the pK value is 3.91 and 3.98. It is less than the aniline. So withdrawing group will produce less basicity than that of aniline. Anicidine, it is 4.20. Para-anicidine, it is 5.29. N-methyl aniline, methyl group is attached directly to the nitrogen, so they can directly donate the electron cloud to the nitrogen itself, though not involved in the resonance. So it is almost greater than that of aniline, 4.85. N and dimethyl, two methyl groups are present on nitrogen, so the basicity further increased. Toluidine, methyl group increased slightly than that of aniline. Para-toluidine increases more than that of aniline, it is 5.12. The point here you have to remember, electron withdrawing group decrease the basicity of aromatic amines, and electron donating group increase the aromatic basicity of amines. We'll see some problems here. Diphenylalanine is less basic than that of aniline. Why? Aniline, we know that lone pair of electrons are not available because of phenyl ring, but diphenylamine, the nitrogen is attached to two phenyls. Phenyls are more electron withdrawing group. They withdraw the electron cloud either by R minus effect or I minus effect. The availability of lone pair of electrons are very, very less. So this is less basic than that of aniline. Order of increase in basicity, aniline is more basic than that of paranitro-aniline, and para-methyl-aniline is more basic than that of aniline. So summary, what we have discussed is the effect of electron withdrawing group on basicity, how the electron withdrawing group plays a major role in decreasing basicity. Electron withdrawing group will pull the electron cloud from aromatic nucleus and decrease the electron density on aromatic nucleus, and in turn lone pair of electrons are not available for donation to the proton, so basicity decreases. Electron donating group will increase the basicity. How it increases the cloud on the aromatic nucleus. In turn, it increases the availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen increases and basicity increases. So relative strength, if you see, electron withdrawing group will have less basicity than that of aniline, than that of electron donating group. So always electron donating group will have more basicity than that of electron withdrawing group. So this ends uh, basicity of aromatic amines. These are the references which I have referred. Thank you.